xoxo-Rama. My name is Rama. Oops, sorry. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together. And today we're gonna do an unboxing video. So I'm super excited about this. But again, I like lifestyle. I might do some vlogs and some fashion. So if you're into that, definitely go ahead and subscribe so we can go ahead and grow together. So let's get to the video. Quick story. I've been searching, actually I've been looking at this bag for a while, and I just, didn't purchase it because I typically don't splurge on like getting myself luxury items. I know my husband likes to get me luxury items, but me myself, I've never been the one to get them. So yeah, so after a while, I've obviously researched the bag and looked at reviews and stuff like that. And then I recently graduated with my master's, so, but yeah, anyway. And then also I turned 30 in January, so I'm just like, hey, this could be a gift, for like milestone accomplishments. So that's what I decided to do. So, as you can see, Louis Vuitton. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but close enough. So this is the bag. In here, obviously, this is the box. So, I wonder if you guys can guess what bag it is. Looks like they made the box smaller than what it typically used to be, for this specific bag. But anyways, of course, the famous packaging. I love the packaging, and I'm definitely going to keep this. So let's get to it. This is cute. It's like a gift card. So if it was not a gift card, but you know what I mean. Like if you were gonna gift this to somebody, you would put your own little message in here. So yeah, but I'm gifting it to myself. So there goes that. All right. Hopefully I can figure out how to tie this again. If not, I'll probably watch a tutorial or something. But this flap here is magnetic, and it opens up to this. Voila. All right, so what's in here? Louis Vuitton. And it looks like in here we have, like a little thank you card for shopping with them. Their exchange and return policies. I think you have like 30 days to exchange or return or whatever. And then your receipt. Yep. So that's all in there. So we'll put that aside. I'll keep that, of course. And then here's a dust bag. This is a really huge dust bag. I'm sure you guys already know what it is. But yeah. And here we go. Boom. This is the bag. So this is the Neverfull GM. The GM size. And to be quite honest, I'm glad I got this size, because at first I was looking at the MM and I thought the GM was going to be too big, but in all honesty, I think this is a perfect size. And I figured since the price wasn't too much of a difference, I think it's like maybe $80 difference, something like that. I figured why not just get the large one, because I could definitely fit all of my stuff in here. Laptop, iPad, agenda, whatever I'm going to put in here. It'll all fit, and it'll be great for travel, like if you're just going on like a staycation or something. But yeah, and it also comes with the pochette in here. And of course, it zips. Oh, this zipper, you guys. Okay, let me stop. But yes. And in here, it's also red interior. You have a little slot here as well, so it's a pocket. It's a lot of space, actually. So this will be cute as a wristlet by itself, in all honesty. And what do we have in here? More lips. Oh, we have like the product number. And that's about it, like the materials and components and stuff. So I'll put that in there until I start using it. And I love the gold detail. Like, look at this. Like, here, it's all gold. And, of course, it says Louis Vuitton here. And even the inside, like the D-ring and the clasp, like it's all gold, and I really love that. I love gold accents, for those that know me. But I really love the contrast of the red and the brown. Like, who would have thought, you know? And I like that you can actually cinch the bag in to make it smaller. So you would just like fold this. I feel like you would have to train the bag to do that. Like fold this part in and then cinch this part up. They're kind of like drawstrings, if that's what you want to call them. And then you would do the same here. Yeah, you definitely would have to like train the bag a little bit. And you do the same on this side. And yeah, that kind of changes the shape of the bag. I mean, it's cute. The shape is cute. But I think I prefer just the oversized tote look, to be honest with you. I love it like this, so I'll probably do that. And I like that it's so flexible. And this is canvas, so this is in the Damier Eben. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm sorry. But yeah. So I definitely think I'm going to get an organizer for this, because I feel like everything would just get lost. I'm used to carrying like really small bags, and sorry, I'm just looking to the side. Back when I was younger, I liked the big tote look, and then the older I got, I started getting like into the smaller crossbodies, or just, you know, something a little more compact. But I'm back into the tote look, so but I think it'll be so easy to like just lose everything in here. So an organizer, I've already ordered. It's on its way. So I'm excited. But look at that. Look how gorgeous it is on the inside. And when I went to pick it up, the lady did say I can bring it back for it to be heat stamped, and maybe get my initials on it. So I'm still thinking about that. I'm not sure yet. The only thing is, when I was trying to order this online, it's like it was sold out. Every time I checked, it was sold out. And I'm just like, I know it's a popular bag. I'm sure they'll restock. So when I finally saw that it was available, I was like, perfect. And I purchased it. And I just had it delivered to the store because I couldn't not that I couldn't, but I didn't want it to be delivered here in case I wasn't home, and I didn't want to miss the shipment itself. So I figured, why not get it delivered to the store? I'll get notified when it's there, and it's of course safe, and the package wouldn't get lost. So yeah. So that's what I did, and I believe it's a great investment and a great gift to myself. And I've seen that women keep these so long. Like, I've heard somebody say they've had it for like 10 years and some. So I'm excited about that. And the plus side is, whenever like we have kids, diaper bag, right? Yeah. But anyways, so yeah, I'm really excited about this. I think oh, I forgot to show you the pocket. The pocket is really huge. It's like, look, it's really big and deep. But yeah. And I know the bag doesn't zip to like, you know, for like security. However, there is like a little clasp right here with the D-ring. And you just, you know, right there. I know it doesn't provide that much security, but at least it kind of closes it a little bit. And I'm sure you can probably feel if like someone's trying to like rummage through your bag while you're holding it. But yeah, so I'm excited about that. And I think I'll probably do another video to do like a what's in my bag. So stay tuned if you want to see that. That'll be really cool. And I'll share some things that I'll be putting in here. But I should probably obviously carry it for a little bit, so I know what staple items I want to keep with me. And then I'll share that with you. So if you're interested, definitely come back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and so we can grow together and share as well. Tell your friends, you know, and let's grow. So yeah. Again, this is the Damier Eben Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size. And I'm like 5'2.5", 5'3". So I thought this bag was going to be really big. But to be honest with you, I really don't care. It's perfect for me. It's going to fit a whole bunch of stuff in here. And yeah, for those of us that carry our lives in our bag, here it is. And if you need a break, that's what this little pochette is for. I feel like it would go with anything that you wear, and it's convenient, and it has enough space in here for almost like wallet, toiletries, whatever you're going to use. You can put that all in here. But yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you guys come back so you can watch the what's in my bag video. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And we'll be back with another video. And thank you for watching.